Step 29. Place the air vents. So I reach over with my arms like this for the back side, and I used this angle screw to hold the bolt in place on the other side, and then I tightened up using the wrench on this side. I didn't tighten too much because this is plastic, and I also reached over the door for the front side, or the side with the door, like this. I could actually reach on that side and then use my other hand on this side to secure the nuts and bolts. So we use nuts and bolts for these air vents, and when you place the air vents, make sure the vents are facing this angle, so if rain hits it, it's going to drain off. You don't want to have the vents flaps facing this way, because if you turn it the other way, I believe it's going to face make the rain come in this way. So you don't want rain to come in, you want to keep it out as much as possible. And I used the top flaps like shelves, if you've noticed. It's been handy. So it's coming along. I believe step 30 is putting the panels for the roof.